Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix NBA 2K22 error code 727E66AC. So first of all, you need to check our internet connection. Press the guide button on your controller, and then head over to Profile and System section. From here, tap on Settings, and then under the General tab, head over to Network Settings, and then click on Test Network Connection. Once you're done with it, you need to head back to the home page and then press the guide button on your controller. From here, click on My Games and Apps, and then tap on See All. Head over to NBA 2K22 and press the menu button. Tap on Manage Game and Add-ons, and then make sure you're running the latest version of the game. This should fix the issue, but if it doesn't, then you need to again press the guide button on your controller, and then head over to Profile and System section. From here, tap on Settings, and then under the General tab, head over to Network Settings, and then click on Advanced Settings. It'll take you to this screen. Simply head over to DNS Settings, and then Manual. Change your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8, and then secondary DNS to 8.84.4. Once you're done changing the DNS, check if it fixes the issue. But if it doesn't, then try creating a new player and then start the game. Hopefully, this will fix the issue, and if it did, then make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.